Grundfos laser alignment, for me, means keeping my installation in top condition. A Grundfos specialist carries out a detailed measurement and analysis of my pump shaft position and aligns the motor shaft to a fraction of a millimeter. This seemingly small adjustment comes with plenty of benefits. First of all, my pump runs longer as wear and tear is reduced. Second, it reduces pump vibration, meaning that the pump runs more quietly. And third, a correctly aligned pump uses less energy and therefore runs more efficiently. All in all, this means I don't have to worry about my pump running down unnecessarily fast. Extend lifetime of your pumps. Get a Grundfos laser alignment.